What up, y'all? Okay, so I'm gonna try to do some type of haircut and we're just gonna see what happens. I haven't cut my hair in a very long time. Let's get into this, okay? Yeah, we need to wash our hair. It looks so dull. It has lost all of its shine. It's lost everything. It's lost its mom. It's lost its pension. It's lost its security. Their food stamps. Just lost it all. First, we're just gonna start with a line. I feel like for me, that's the easiest way to get started. I like to figure out my outline. And then once I know where I'm been, I know where to go. That's like the best curve I've done in a while. Wait, no, just combed it out. Nope. Try again, sir. I'm okay with it. I know I'm not perfect, but I do pretty well for myself. Yes, I do. Y'all know something new? I got a new brush. Cause I left my old one in New York. Kevin, if you see this, my brush I think is in your bedroom on your table. You probably saw it next to your computer or on the floor next to your backpack. It's somewhere there. Maybe in the bathroom, I don't know. It could be on the plane somewhere. I don't even know. I could have lost it all the way in the middle of, where was I at? Wisconsin? Minnesota? I don't know. Somewhere. One quick tip when you're doing the line, make sure your dreads are in the center of your head whenever you tie them up. Obviously, your skin is malleable, so depending on what side is, changes what your hairline looks like. If you put it to the right, it'll pull on the left. If you pull to the left, or if you put it to the left, it'll pull on the right. So you want to make sure that your hair is centered so you align. If you line your front of your locks, it can be really scrayed. Okay. Yes, I know it says scrayed. Magic of that movie makeup and all that spray, you don't even have to have a straight line. They just put that little, card. They just take a little card and put that in front of that thing and they just go, you know, they be cheating out here. Dudes be using makeup too. They be using it not on their face, but in their hair. They be fooling people out there. What they saying? Catfish, hatfish. There we go, that look nice. That look good. I like that, I agree with it. I think it agrees with me too. Do y'all think so? Okay, cool. And that is how you get a perfect V. That's how you get your V cut in the back. Okay. Okay. Now what I want to do is I want to do a line I want to do something cool, but I don't think I'm gonna be able to do it. So I don't know if I should do it or not. You know what I'm saying? Because if I mess up, then all this will be for naught. I want to put it on this side actually. Let's just try it. We'll see what happens. Okay, y'all pray for me. Let me make sure, child. I'm nervous. I'm nervous. Ugh, I'm nervous. I'm dropping my brush. I can't even do this right. Hold on. Okay, here we go. Here we go. I don't like the shape of what I've just done. So, what can we do? What can we do? Oh, y'all, my back is killing me. I don't know what this is gonna be. It's gonna be something. I just don't know quite yet. Really, at the end of the day, the only part that needs to look good is the very front. I mean, I can accept that I've made a mistake with this. I can accept that. What I'll not accept though is that we will leave it as a mistake. That's what we will not do. Not me. Not today. Okay. Now what we will do is we're going to do this just a little bit down and then fade all of that down. So it should be 2 parts. Okay, let's see what happens. We're gonna try it out. We're gonna try it out. We're gonna need the top part as thick as it is, right? And we're just gonna take, where's the 1/4 inch, child? Where the 1/4 is, the 1/8. We need a 1/4. This is 16. We need a 1/4. There's a 1/4. 1/4. All right. Okay, not close enough. Maybe all the way down. Maybe all the way down. Okay, so that didn't do much enough. It's getting a little bit, but not enough. So why don't we do the whole thing a 1/4, even it on out. So we did a 1/4 on the top part. We're gonna fade that 1/4 down to an 8. That's as low as we get. And we're gonna do a long 8, not a short 8, a long 8. Because we're gonna start the next part on a short 8. So we have that part, right? We're gonna blend it out just a little bit. All right, now the next part, we're gonna take it all the way down to a 16. I mean, we could do that long 8, but I don't think that would look good, you know, or a short 8. We'll see. Yeah, we're gonna do 16. 16, we just gonna go all the way down. All the way down. I saw you. Okay, so maybe not, but I'm not completely mad at it. It could be better, but I'm okay with where it's at. I'm okay with it. I'm not mad, I'm okay. Okay, so y'all know what I wanted to do, right? Like, the idea is there, but next time when I do this, it'll be better. That's all I need to know. So at least now we know kind of how to do it one time. We're gonna try and do it the second time, and hopefully it'll be even better. So today was a good learning lesson. Today was good. All right, I'm gonna do the other side, and I'm gonna show you how this looks, okay? I'm done. So this is the final look that we've got right here. That could have been better, but it's okay. It's my first time doing this, so we're just gonna let it be what it's gonna be, and we'll not gonna worry about it. It'll grow itself out. But the fade on this side though, that look good. I did that all right. I ain't mad at it. I'm not mad. So I'm gonna go shower all of this, get this clean. That's why we took all the jewelry out, and so I will check back in a second. Took me literally like an hour to do this by myself because this was the first time I tried this haircut, so do not judge too harsh. I know people are gonna do it, I don't really care, but I'm just letting you know that it took me a minute. This is my first time. And so one of my things is that with me learning how to self-cut my hair, self-teaching myself.
Self-teaching myself? But who else gonna, how is you gonna teach yourself, Justin? Come on now.
Teaching myself how to cut my own hair, you know, it's all about a learning process, and so I don't care necessarily about if it looks good, but I just care the next time I do it if I can do it better. It's all about a growth process, okay? Growth mindset, okay? Can never be too good or too bad, I guess, in that same day. Anyway, this is what the hair looks like now. So this side, you can see we just did a fade, and then I tried to do something on this side. Do not judge too harshly. I know you've seen what I'm going for, and I know you know what I'm going for, okay? So don't look at me crazy, okay? I tried. Anyway, so this is the thing. This obviously probably needs to be smaller, although I made it wider so it kind of gets shorter as it goes, but then it went all the way down. I don't know what's going on, but I'm gonna just let it rock. We'll probably put some type of glitter or neon paint or something there for, you know, since I work at the bar, and that'll be kind of cool under the glow light. I just want to show you guys how I cut my hair sometimes. All right, so that's the video. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up. If you have any other questions about how I did this or anything lock related, hair related, just anything related to what I do on this channel, hit me up in the comment section below. If you want to also hit me up on any other type of social media like Snapchat, which is new by the way. I deleted my old one, or I'm going to delete my old one. My new Snapchat is just Locs. Follow me there or check out any of those things. And what else? What the last thing? Oh, subscribe. Subscribe to this channel if you like what you see. If you want to see more of this content, subscribe, hit that button. You can also hit the bell notification, which allegedly lets you know if I put a new video. I don't even know if that works. Let me know if that worked. Does that even do anything? Like, do y'all even click that? Does it even matter? Really, I'm just trying to figure out if that even works. I'm saying, okay, let me know. Let me know, because I have no idea, okay? All right, well, that's it. If you want to watch last week's videos right there, there's a, what's it called? What the thing's called? A playlist. They got a playlist of stuff right there. There's a little button right there to subscribe to my channel. You can watch more videos. You can not watch more. You can click the little X right there. It's up to you, whatever you want to do. All right, I'll see y'all later. Peace and keep it locked.